Welcome! In front of me is a Huawei MatePad SE, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold our power button. From there, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold volume up and power button at the same time. After a couple seconds, you should see Huawei logo on the screen. There we go. Once you do, let go of the power key. And after a moment, the screen should turn black, at which point you can also let go of the volume up as well. This will take us to the recovery mode right here, so simply select from here by tapping on it, safe mode. This will instantly begin rebooting the device, and once it boots back up, it will be in safe mode. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. In this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off. There might be also some apps that are turned off by default. Let's see if we can find any. So all these look like they're working just fine. It could be that Harmony OS is just simply hiding them all together, because there could be more apps in this folder for all I know, but I don't remember. But anyway, as this is how you boot your device into safe mode, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, simply hold the power button once again and select restart. The device will reboot and go back to normal mode. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.